10, 11.
Oh, do you?
Oh. No. What you got there, Aubrey, little girl? Is them yours? Oh my God, you look like you. Man, we gotta get to the heat, buddy.
So it looks like 10.
Yeah, I think so, 10.
So we got 10 from Ivory and 12 from Ebony. Ebony's babies, okay? Yeah, now...
Oh my God.
We're talking about, what, 3 days difference between the two?
Uh-huh. Oh no, Monday, Bob. I wrote it down.
Oh, you did? Was Monday?
No, 5 days difference.
5 days old and little chub balls already.
Look at them little buggies. Hi, Ebony. Look at Mommy. Yes. Look at all of them.
So I think they're trying to... I just think they want to feed.
Which button? These are Ebony's puppies. All 12 of them. Yes. Yes, aren't they cute? Whiny.
There's one on the bottom here somewhere. Just taking some pictures.
Those are Ivory's puppies. Yeah. Bob, it says battery.
Okay. Ebony, come.
Ebony, go. Go back with the rest of them now. Come
Put the dog back. Okay, thank you. I'll take the dog. Thank you. Now, go. Ebony, put that poor puppy down.
Are you going to leave the back on? No. Can you make a truck?
Yeah, just sit.
Here. Well, what'd you do with the keys? Did I give them to you? Or did I lose them? Oh, I hope they wasn't a puppy under there.
She still got it in her mouth?
She's really hungry there.
That's what you say, Brent.
Oh, you know what?
Time to take pictures of the babies. Seems like moms are out doing. Moms are out doing. Yeah. Ebony, wrong side, girl. And here's Ivory's puppies. All sleeping. All sleeping. Middle of the day, too. These aren't that cold, Ivory's pups. The Squeamimis are Ebony's pups. About 3 weeks old, so.
Except for this done one here. This is the very first one we brought in. Now this one ought to have it together.
Well, maybe she's done. He or she, I don't know. Yeah, I think this one must be done, honey. Because I noticed it before she ain't looking like she was. A few of Ebony's puppies, a little thinner than the rest. I think that guy's done. I don't know. He went for the big time. He's gonna end up drowning.
Oh, look what I
house
did
cleaning, house cleaning.
Look what I did to this.
Time for a little house cleaning.
Come on, guys.
Boy.
Come on. Come on. Look here, I got you all muffled.
Yeah, these babies are on the loose.
Wait a minute, they're not mine. Hey, 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 hey! Come on, guys! No, you weren't supposed to go back in there. Come on.
Oh, we got clean that. We're cleaning house this morning, kids.
Come on, guys. I'm cleaning up. Come here. No, you can't come back in here. No! Come here. You can help me here, Bob.
I am. I'm taking pictures.
Yeah, right.
Help you too. She's trying to pick them up to take them back in. She's trying to keep them all together, I guess. I don't know what she's doing. We got 12
Give me the
there.
right.
is Ivory's Pups. It says shutter, Bob. What does that mean? Shutter.
It means that blue thing.
These are Ivory's little puppies with one acquired. One just happened to walk over and stayed. Ivory's trying to take them back. We're trying to clean up.
Ivory.
There she goes. And there goes this little guy. And there's all the rest of these little guys.
Yeah. Huh? Forget it, I'll get it.
There's one up there, too.
I can see this is going to be a load of fun.
Okay, I'm going to help you. Okay, look at all them little puppies. Ivory's having a heart attack. She's having a heart... Come here, Ivory. Come on. Come on, Ivory. Leave it alone. Come on. You got to clean up. Let's go. Look here. Look at all these little fellas over here. And there she goes. She keeps taking the same one back.
Ivory.
Ivory.
No.
Ivory. That's it. Put on the blanket and leave it there, Ivory. We're not going to hurt the little pups. Oops, there she goes, Bob. There's two big asses. Look at that.
Ivory.
And here's all the little puppies.
We got 3 of Ebony's puppies inside feeding the smallest ones to help out. And Ebony wants to know what's going on around here.
Oh man, they got that little belly.
They think they're going to eat. Mama came out. They think they're going to eat. Say, Mama, feed me. Oh, man, she left without us. So let's go to the alternate. So you got to split them up, 10 and 10. If these guys know anything but more milk. We need more milk over on table 1. The job is to try to keep 10 and 10.
Count them.
Need more milk here. I'll take that guy. And they're all done over there. I don't think we got 10 and 10 anymore. They follow that man.
Okay. Now we're even. Bring over the
Someone's sneaking over this side. Uh-oh, nothing over here. Is there anything over there?
This is going to be difficult.
Here, Brian. Next. Hard food. Uh-oh, everybody's going over there. Wait a minute. There's some over here too, guys. Holy cripe. Attack. Just take a handful over to that side. Yeah.
Okay, I got 6. 7, 8.
Say, wait a minute, let me in there. That guy, a couple of them can't get in.
Come here.
Put a couple... Let's see how this side's doing. Oh boy. Get in through the top. Brian, put some on the outside too there. No, I'm talking about on the edge. You know, there's like 4 different things there. Sections. Okay, no, on this side too, and this one too. This guy's saying, where we go here? There we go. Just pour them right in on each other. That's all right. I think one snuck over, Brian. Keep moving, 10-10. Well, meanwhile, Mommy they're going crazy. Hey, there's one in the back, Friday. Hey, they're sneaking over. What is this?
Hey, come on, come on.
Well, I'll tell you, man. Get that nose in there.
Yeah, what do you mean by getting the drink clean? Look at them, they're all messed up. What are you so frightened for?
They're still not used to people yet.
Like you're freaked out.
Uh-oh. Getting to a point where the food's out.
Look at this wind. Dad.
No, what's the matter? Still searching?
You're being attacked. Here they come.
Here they come. The attack of the puppy people. Don't come to me. Don't come to me. No, don't come to me. What are you looking at, Jack? Huh? Oh, geez, getting mean in our old age here. Boy, it's neat to come in here. What'd you get up for? I just started. Covered by puppies. We've got a couple of them that are a tug of war with the rope. There's the yeller. There's the barker. He's been doing nothing but yiping. All the rest is out playing. A few diehards trying to escape. She's trying to plan their escape there. There we go. This little shy guy. Black one, the tan one. And there's the mouth of the South again. Okay. Just watch that bottom when you come out so they don't sneak out on you. Unless you want to go out across the top like you did. No, over the doghouse. But just make sure that bottom's hooked right, okay? So they don't sneak out through the bottom. Little shy one. Damn. Hey everybody! Oh my gosh! Hey!